Hello students, this is case 3 when the object is placed at C. You can see the object is placed here, the diagram is already drawn and according to it this is the arrow which is drawn, object is drawn over here. The first ray goes from the parallel to the principal axis. This is the incident ray. After reflection it passes from the focus. The second ray, it passes from focus and becomes parallel to the principal axis after reflection. Both the reflected rays, they meet at a point and that point becomes the position of the image. So the position of image is at C. Size is same as that of object. From the diagram you can see nature is real and inverted, and application it is used as an erecting mirror. This is case 4 when object is placed between C and F. As you can see, the object is placed here between C and F and the first ray is parallel to the principal axis. So this is the incident ray and after reflection it passes from the focus. The second ray passes from focus and after reflection becomes parallel to the principal axis. Both the reflected rays, they meet at this particular point which is beyond C. So the position of image is beyond C. The image you can see it is larger than the object or magnified, real and inverted as it is formed in front of the mirror, and application it is used in hospitals and clinic to see the tiny internal part of body. This is case 5 when the object is placed at F. You can see here the object is placed at F and the first ray becomes parallel to the principal axis. After reflection it passes from the focus. This is the incident ray and after reflection it passes from the focus. The second ray, it passes from the center of curvature. So when it strikes the mirror here, then it retraces its path backward in that same direction. Both the rays, when they come in the back side, then you can see they make a parallel rays. Parallel rays, they never meet, and therefore in case if they meet, then we assume that they meet at infinity. This is the symbol for infinity. So the position of image we write it meets at infinity, size highly magnified, nature real and inverted, and application they are used in searchlight or headlights of vehicles. This is case 6 when object is placed between P and F, and here you can see that the object is already placed here between P and F. The first ray is parallel to the principal axis and after reflection it passes from the focus. So this is the incident ray and this becomes the reflected ray. Second ray, just like the previous one, we again pass it from the center of curvature. So after the reflection it retraces its path backward. But the only difference between the previous case and this one is that the rays are not parallel here. The rays you can see they are becoming wider and wider as they are moving ahead. That means these are the diverging rays. They will never meet. So another way is that we produce this ray backward. That means you can see these are dotted lines which are marked. So these are imaginary rays, and when these rays meet then they make the image at that particular position. So while making this ray meet, the ray meets behind the mirror, and that's why we have written position of image behind the mirror. Size is magnified, nature real and inverted, and application it can be used in shaving mirror or in makeup mirror. Now tell me one thing, that the nature which is written, how it will be real and inverted. In case if this not strike to your mind, then for all the other cases we have written the nature real and inverted, but in this case it will not be real and inverted. Then how? Why? Because the image on this particular case is formed where? Behind the mirror. So I purposely wrote this so that when you are writing this particular case, remember this. This is the common area where the student does the mistake. Remember this, that the nature will be virtual and erect. For only one case, concave mirror gives virtual and erect image. Okay, so because of this only, the concave mirror gives two types of images. For all 5 cases it gives real and inverted, and the last case it gives virtual and erect image. With this we finish the image formation for concave mirror. Thank you.